always ready.
Ride with Minaj, mashallah, check in with me, pin to your job, Queen is the name, Raphaello did the chain, this is Monse, Patty plain Jane, ride with. Why not start my verse like that? You can suck a noodle, you can suck on a ball that. No, I don't endorse that, pause that, abort that, just the other day I go to London, saw that kissing in the street, paparazzi, all that. Hey, what can I say, day to day.
Hey dolls, welcome back to another video. So guys, as you can see, lip gloss, lipstick popping or whatever. This is my first videos of me doing an inspired look by celebrity, and I'm so excited. Y'all know it's my baby Nicki Minaj. That's my she's not my mom. She my mom. No, Nicki Minaj is like my favorite auntie. That's my favorite auntie. I love you. And I have the wig right here, and this wig is from Sam's Beauty. This is how the wig comes packaged. And guys, do not drag me for my eyeliner. I don't wear eyeliner, so if it looks uneven, girl, it's uneven. I don't have time to get a ruler and measure. Anybody got time for that? I don't usually wear eyeliner, but you know, Nikki, she wear the eyeliner, whatever. I'm gonna do that today. Okay, so this is how she's looking. Now, let's see, does this wig have combs? Yes, it has 2 combs on the sides right here, and then it has a comb in the nape area. Oh my god. Okay guys, as you can see, the bangs are hella long, so now I'm just cut the bangs.
Tryna fuck you and your bestie, yeah. Jump up with this girl, so do not test me, yeah. Quick flood, drip, go woo on a bitch. 5790, spit the coupe on my wrist. Multi-million-dollar, I'm a fool with the hits. Hop up in the lemon, drop the roof, show the tits. Going to the jeweler, bust the AP, yeah. Sliding on the water like a jet ski, yeah. Tryna fuck you and your bestie, yeah. Jump up with this girl, so do not test me, yeah. Quick flood, drip, go woo on a bitch. 5790, spit the coupe on my wrist. Multi-million-dollar, I'm a fool with the hits. Hop up in the lemon, drop the roof, show the tits.
See, I switched my style up a little bit, gotta get a little sexy or whatever. Bump the hair and I cut it off camera because listen, honey, I was struggling. The struggle was real, honey. Like, to get this hair super duper even was a task. Like, it's still, you know, got its little imperfections or whatnot, but let me tell you guys, this was me experimenting. So if anybody want to come in the comment section and want to throw some shade, let me see you do it. So I'm definitely was experimenting. This is like something new I'm doing. Like, I never did this style before, so yeah, I tried to slay it as much as I did. Got inspired by this look by Nicki Minaj's SNL performance. It was she was performing Polka Dot with Playboy Cardi. I was like, okay, Nicki, okay. She just coming out looking all good, looking like. But yeah, I saw Nicki come out on the stage. She was like,
Playboy, 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 Playboy Bobby, Playboy Bobby. What's they out? What's they out? My bad. Get that, get that, get that, get that.
Right here is from the Ultra and Play collection. So this is how the name of this wig is Evie, and it's in the color DR613. Now this color is not too bad, guys. The color is gorgeous. The roots is perfect, like spot on. The roots is really natural. As far as this hair taking heat, not that much good, not that good. As far as this wig being big head friendly, it definitely is big head friendly. As you said, it's very comfortable. The texture is definitely like a yaki hair texture. The hair texture is very thick, it's very coarse, and the bang comes really wide. So if you really like to play around with your bangs, the bangs like come up all the way up to here. So yeah, that's a plus with this wig also. But this wig is really an easy on the go wig. If you guys like how the wig looked when it first came, you know, without it being cut and styled, definitely, girl, do your thing. I was going for a particular type of look today, and yeah. But honestly, for this wig and for this hair texture, I would avoid heavy gels, heavy creams, heavy greases, heavy mousse. Just avoid heavy product on this hair because it will look real bad real fast. If you're new, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification, and so you can get all the notifications when I post. And thank you, doll baby, so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.